natin lahat.
Tara guys!
Initializing unboxing. Home of the best Pinoy microdrama.
Viva Movie Box, ang pinakabagong streaming platform on the go.
Sir, tumang po.
Tayo na nga nandito.
Grace, ako ang tunay mong ina.
You are just my mistress.
Humanda sa mga kwentong more intriguing.
Kaya ka kasing babae ka! Ano bang klase ka? Alam mo, wala ka ng pagpana ko!
More intense.
Kamay mo ah. Sigurado ka bang kaya mo yung mga gawain bahay?
Ikaw ba ang kabit na kasama?
More exciting.
Alam mo sa ating dalawa, baka ikaw yung nag-inala at meron ina.
Kaya naman, mapapa-more ka. Dahil siguradong mapapakapit ka.
Hindi kayo aalis.
Makikilala mo rin kung sino ako.
Excited na ako sa mga susunod na mangyayari.
Viva Movie Box. Mahirap bumitaw.
Ayan!
Yup!
Exciting, right?
Exciting. Panatag ako yan yung mga susunod nating nababaliwan na palabas. Oo, ano. Phoebe, looking forward to that. For sure, vertical dramas, short but full of heart. Yun naman pala, full of heart and perfect for the on-the-go lifestyle.
Exactly. Real stories, real emotions, mahirap talagang bumitaw. We've already seen what VMB is all about, pero alam niyo ba na may mas nakaka-excite pa?
Oh, talaga ba? Ano yun?
Well, I think it's better kaysa sabihin ko sa inyo, we prepared something for you guys to watch. Panoorin na lang natin.
Perfect. Alright.
Ang Viva Movie Box, pinakasulit ever! Ang 1 week only watch, mas mura pa sa milk tea. Pamasahe sa tren, kaning ulam sa karinderya. 59 pesos lang. At kung gusto mo makatipid ng bonggang-bongga, 2,350 pesos lang, only na for 1 year. So sa halagang 7 pesos a day, non-stop stream na sa mga exciting episodes. At introducing ang VMB Coins. Mas budget-friendly para makasulit. For as low as 20 pesos, get access sa mga kapanapanabik na episodes. Parang pang-fish mo lang. Hindi mo na kailangan maghintay ng 11-11 o 12-12. Ito ang sulit na nakakabitin. Promise namin yan. Kasi pag nakanood ka ng isang episode, siguradong mahirap bumitaw. Viva Movie Box!
Tama!
How affordable is that?
Very affordable. To answer your question, Phoebe, your ears don't deceive you. Actually, hindi nagsisinungaling ang mga tenga nyo. You've heard it correctly. For as low as 59 pesos. Ano nga ulit, guys? Ano ba yan? 59 pesos, guys. For as low as? That's
59.
better. That's better. For as low as 59 pesos in a week, makakapanood ka na ng walang kapatid-patid, di ba? Anytime, anywhere.
Tama, actually, mas mahal pa yung coffee natin. Sabi nga kanina, mas mahal pa daw yung milk tea natin. So, we are here to boast na kumpara mo sa lahat ng streaming platforms in the country, ang Viva Movie Box ang pinakasulit in the country. At syempre, mahirap bitawan.
Mahirap bitawan, indeed. And speaking of boasting, kung may isa akong ipagmamalaki, siguro yung portion ng program natin na ito. To let us in on some more details about our exciting new app, please welcome none other than the visionary that continues to shape Viva's story, Miss Valerie Salvador del Rosario.
Hello po. Good afternoon everyone. Maraming salamat po na nandito kayong lahat para samahan kami may kwento sa inyo. Ang isa na namang milestone mula sa amin sa Viva. For Viva's 44th anniversary, we celebrate and mark the occasion by launching a new platform. Ito po yung Viva Movie Box. Isa na namang streaming platform para po sa atin lahat. Microdrama naman. Vertical, para po yung mga video sa TikTok, yung patayo. 1 to 3 minutes per episode. Medyo madaming episodes, pero lahat mahirap bitawan. Kaya po ang tagline natin ay mahirap bumitaw. Kasi yan po ang susubukan namin gawin sa bawat episode na mapapanood po ninyo. Sabi lagi sa amin ni Boss Vic ay, pag may kwento, may kwenta. Kaya lahat po ng kwento dito sa Viva Movie Box, may puso. From Viva Max to Viva One to now po na Viva Movie Box. Ang challenge po namin lagi ay kung paano namin palalawigin ang pagpapakalat kung gaano kagaling ang ating mga artista, ang ating mga storytellers, ang mga tao behind the cameras. So dito po sa Viva Movie Box, yan po ang susubukan namin din gawin. Ang maipakita lalo pa ang galing ng mga Pilipino. Sana po ay masuportahan ninyo. Maraming salamat. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Boss Val. Okay, we will come to you.
Yes,
Thank you, Boss Val. Thank you for letting us in on VMB and the plans, no, and the vision.
Yes, and at this point, we would like to open the floor to our friends from the press. If you have any questions directed towards Boss Val, now is your time to ask, hindi ba?
Oo, sobrang palat natin, guys. No? We're opening the floodgates for everybody. We're accommodating up to 5 questions about Viva Movie Box. And don't worry, we will be having another Q&A session maya-maya lang. Kasama naman yung directors natin and cast members.
Alright, so ngayon naman po, questions towards Boss Val. So if you have any questions, please raise your hand. Okay, we see one over there. I believe it is Sir June Lalin from Abante.
Hi,
Magandang hapon po.
Yeah, hi! Hi,
Hi,
Bob!
June.
Congratulations!
Salamat po.
Ang bongga mo ba? Kasi talagang tutok ka. Ang dami. Kahit Viva One, namumuna ngayon, ikaw din ang nandyan behind.
Salamat po.
So, Val, anong dapat expect namin dito sa BMB?
Thank you, June. Sa VMB, ang i-expect po natin katulad sa iba nating streaming platforms ay mga kwentong may kwenta. Number 1 po yan. Exciting na mga mapapanood, na entertaining para sa bawat tao na tatangkilik dito. Sa presyo naman, nakita ninyo na murang-mura lang, 59 pesos per week. Sabi pa nga, kung bumili ka ng annual subscription fee, parang 7 pesos lang sa isang araw.
Yan, ang bongga, no? Ang kwentong may kwenta. Kung kukwentahin mo nga naman, yung 59 pesos, ang mura. Tapos yung annual, magkano yung annual?
2,300, pakicorrect ako guys, 2,350, I think. 2,350, yes po. Parang 7 pesos per day. Parang ganun lang siya.
Tapos, kasi the last time nang kausap ka namin, nagkwento mo nga, ang dami rin mapapanood, di ba? Talagang grabe yung mga series, di ba? O, na, kumbaga ang quality, it's like doing a movie also, di ba?
Yes.
Dahil ang daming shooting days, ang mahal din, di ba? Yan. Oh, so ang bongga, no? Kumbaga magbe-benefit talaga yung mga mahilig manood
Yes
ng
po.
pelikula.
Yung mga may hilig manood at the same time po, yung ating mga artists, yung ating mga nagtatrabaho po sa production, lahat po tayo pwedeng mag-benefit dito kasi lahat magkakaroon ng opportunity na ipakita yung galing at talent po nila.
Yeah, ang sarap kasi ang dami na nabibigyan ng trabaho sa industriya.
Opo.
Pero you're still continue doing movies naman?
Yes po, tuloy-tuloy po. Actually, I think nabanggit namin ito ni Boss Vincent nung huling press con natin. We are actually allotting 1 billion pesos for 2026 alone para sa lahat ng content na gagawin natin. Para sa content sa sinehan, para po sa free-to-air television, pay television, tsaka po sa 3 streaming platforms ng Viva.
Ang bongga, no? 1 billion. Tapos ito, siyempre, BMB, patayo to, di ba?
Opo, vertical. Yung parang sa TikTok po, yes.
Pero okay naman kahit pag nanood kami, kahit nakahiga kami, hindi natin
Pwede po. Pwede. Wag lang mababagsak yung phone habang nakahiga po.
Pero congrats,
Salamat po.
Val, ang galing mo talaga. Ang galing mo.
Sa guidance po ni Boss Vic. Salamat
Thank
po.
you.
Thank you so much, Sir June. Okay, I think we will be accepting more questions. Okay, we have one, of course, from Aster Amoyo over there on the balcony.
Hi, Val. Hi, congratulations muna una. I'm just curious, no, paano ito nabuo?
Thank you, Tita. Hi, Tita. Ito po ay nabuo kasi po nakita po namin sa Viva na ang mga vertical drama po ay namamayagpag po sa ibang bansa. So, with the success of Viva Max and Viva One, naisip ni Boss Vic na bakit hindi natin ito subukan. Di ba ang mga Pinoy po ay mahilig tayo sa mga tingi-tingi, tapos sa sobrang dami ng mga ganap natin sa bawat araw, minsan gusto natin ma-entertain, pero yung mabilisan lang. So, kaya po kami ay susubok at baka naman po ito ay mag-work dito sa atin sa Pilipinas.
Follow up lang, kasi actually yung FB, Facebook, talagang bombarded siya ng mga ganito. Is it the same format na parang bitin, may parang cliffhanger, tapos you have to subscribe pagkatapos?
Parang ganyan po.
So basically.
Opo, dito po sa ating platform, sana mag-download na po kayo. Nandiyan yung ating mga QR code at ang VMB man po natin. Makikita nyo po na about 5 to 7 episodes po ay mapapanood nyo ng libre. Ang current na titles na meron po tayo ngayon dyan ay Tagalized na mga foreign content. By November 10, mapapanood po natin yung pinakauna nating title sa Viva Movie Box. Nalilito na po ang dami. Viva Max, Viva One, Viva Movie Box po ito. So, yun po, makikita niyo po yung mga trailers ng bawat isa mamaya pag ipinakilala po yung ating mga artists and directors behind each project. Thank you, Tita.
Maraming salamat po. Okay, up next. Okay. Yes, sir?
Hi there. Hello. Hi, Val. I'm Jeff Fernandez sa Daily Tribune.
Hello po.
Ayan. Ang question is parang 2-in-1 na yung question. Dahil vertical nga siya, nagkaroon ba ng major adjustments yung mga artists, yung mga filmmaker, yung mga artists natin, mga director sa paggawa ng mga content? Dahil vertical na siya, parang limitado or yung angling?
Siguro po in a certain way meron pong konting adjustment, but generally po hindi po masyado kasi po ito po ay kinunan pa rin namin with an option na pahiga po. Eventually itong mga vertical na ito na putol-putol ay pwede rin po ninyong mapanood ng buo. So, i-announce po namin yan soon.
Okay, and second question is, nandun pa rin ba syempre yung Filipino touch ng mga kwento pagdating sa content?
Opo, definitely po. Kasi po, lahat po ng kwento dito ay may puso pa rin po. Makikita po natin sensibilities ng mga Pinoy, yung mga usual na pinagdadaanan po natin, just told po in a different way na medyo mas nakakabitin bawat episode.
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you rin po.
Thanks for the question.
Hi, Boss Val.
Hi po.
Since Pinoy touch na siya, pero tulad ng ibang mga vertical series na nakaabot sa phones natin before yung mga Chinese, is Viva also positioning itself na to go regional para makaabot din sa iba pang audiences?
Definitely, yes. Like with all our other content, everything else that we do, we try to market it also globally. Katulad po ng ating Mutyanang Section E, which traveled across different countries also. And then ito pong mga verticals natin actually ay naipakita na natin sa mga international markets din. And maraming interest.
Wow.
So far, we've only shown, I think, about 4 or 5 yung mga nauna namin kinunan. And very interested po yung iba-ibang markets na eventually kunin din ito para sa mga platforms nila. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat po, and I think we will entertain our final question for Boss Val.
Yep.
Okay, we have Sir
Hi,
Erwin.
Boss.
Hello, Sir Erwin.
Yes. So ano pong difference nitong VMB sa mga existing na verticals natin?
Yung mga existing verticals na makikita po natin sa market ngayon ay mostly po mga foreign. Yes, meron na rin pong mga Filipino microdramas also dito sa Philippines. Pero ito pong mga titles natin sa Viva Movie Box ay merong touch ng Viva. So, yan po ang makikita natin dito sa Viva Movie Box, yung pagkikwento na gawang Viva.
Thank you, Boss.
Salamat po.
Hi, maraming salamat po. Palakpakan naman natin
Yep.
si Boss
Thank you.
Val.
Thank you po.
We will see you again in just a little bit.
Boss Val, salamat.
Thank you po for indulging us. Grabe, no? Ang galing ng pagiging adaptive.
Kuha mo.
Ni Viva. Diba? Starting from Viva Max, which the tagline is Bida Harito. To Viva 1, ay hindi, baliktad. Viva Max, Astigto. Viva 1, Bida Harito. And Viva Movie Box naman, mahirap.
Other than, mahirap bitawan. Oh, alam na natin yan, ladies and gentlemen, kabisaduhin natin. Okay po? Mahirap bumitaw talaga with stories this great. Tama po ba, ladies and gentlemen? Kaya naman, ma-inspire ka talaga with what's to come, with what's on the horizon. Siya yung masasabi mong world-class talaga. Yung mga people involved na nandito, tapos yung mga kwento rin na sasabihin natin.
Exactly. Siyempre, kung wala ang ating incredible talent, wala rin tayong Viva Movie Box, hindi ba? So now, we would like to give the time to recognize, of course, our incredible talent that made Viva Movie Box possible.
Yeah, I don't see why not. Siyempre, to our directors, our writers, producers, and actors, taus-puso po kami nagpapasalamat for attending and gracing us with your presence, for your creativity and passion. Okay, palakpakan naman po, palakpakan naman po.
Congratulations, this is all our day. Hindi ba?
Araw natin to.
And I believe it is time to meet the brilliant storytellers and artists who bring these powerful stories to life. I believe we have 6 stories na ipapakilala sa ating friends from the press. 7.
6
we
plus
have
1.
7. Nadagdagan.
Yeah, 6 plus 1.
Simulan po natin. Alright, first is an adult drama directed by Christian Paulo Lat, starring Natalie Hart, Ren Escanio, Albi Casino, Shirley Fuentes, and Ivan Padilla. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the trailer to Akin Ka Lang.
Bukod dyan, no? Meron ding intensity na dadali natin sa Viva Cafe stage. No? I think it's time to add some of that, to engender some of that here, a much-needed spunk. Kaya wag na natin patagalin pa. Let's welcome to the stage the director of Akin Ka Lang, Christian Paulo Lat, together with the cast, Ren Escanio and Natalie Hart.
Hello!
Hi guys!
Akin Ka Lang, our first film concept for today. Please say hi to our audience.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, everybody. Thank you po sa lahat ng mga nandito ngayon, sa mga friends namin sa press. Lahat na nandito kahit masama yung panahon. Thank you for coming po.
Exactly, and it's a pleasure to have you guys. Okay, let's have a group photo. Shall we have Direct, Christian in the middle? Okay, maybe we can move forward a little bit. And of course, as I did mention, meron po tayong Q&A with our stars and director, mamaya-maya lamang.
Looking photo ready. Itong tatlong to. We love seeing that.
Alright, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po. You may now proceed backstage.
Grabe yun. Patikim pa lang yun.
Patikim pa lang. So we are now on our second film for today. What is it?
Absolutely. It's just the tip of the iceberg. Ipakilala na natin. Up next is a revenge melodrama. A gripping story about love, betrayal, and revenge. Panigurado, madami makaka-relate dito, no? And it is directed by none other than Sigrid Polon, starring Abby Bautista. Wow, Direct Sid, plenty of fans, huh? Abby Bautista, James Blanco, Yayo Aguila, Cherie Bautista, Liz Gonzalez, Alex Bayan, and Carlene Aguilar. Let's play the trailer for Elisa, Batang Kabit.
Masaya ka ba?
Masaya ako na ikaw yung ina ko.
Sir! Tumamina na po.
Tayo na nga nandito.
Bata pa to, anak ko!
Oo! Bata! Batang Makate! Batang Kabit!
Bagay sa'yo.
Mga hayop kayo! Bakit ka nang magawa?
Ngayon, wala nang hadlang sa mga balak natin. Mayor Ricardo.
Everyone, meet Evelyn Rosas, Eve for short.
What?
Eve is not just my girlfriend, it's my wife.
So, how was your reunion with the Torre family?
Keep your friends close and your enemies closer.
Excited na ako sa mga susunod na mangyayari.
Ayan, kami rin, excited na rin kami sa mga susunod na mangyayari. Ang intense, no? Pero it happens kasi in real life eh. Hindi ba? And mapaninindigan to for sure ng ating mga actors dito sa Viva. Kaya naman ngayon, let us call up the team behind Elisa Batang Kabit. We have Direk Sigrid Pulon, Abby Bautista, and James Blanco.
Hi guys!
Ang sexy naman ni Direk Sig. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Bati naman po kayo sa ating audience today.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Thank you po for coming kahit na maulan.
Hello guys, thank you for watching the trailer and thank you guys for coming tonight. Thank you po.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo. Kahit masama ang panahon, nandito po kayo. Magandang hapon.
Yan. Thank you so much. Okay, let's have a group photo of Team Elisa Batang Kabit.
Yep, let's put those cameras to good use, everybody.
That is our second film for today. At syempre, makakausap din natin sila mamaya-maya. Okay, we are all good. Thank you so much again. Direk Sig, Abby, and James. So good to have these people, no?
It really is.
Yeah, grabe yung support. Okay, up next is a revenge mystery. From heartbreak to suspense, directed by Direk Bobby Bonifacio Jr., starring Rose Van Ginkel, Cara Gonzalez, Mon Confiado, Billy Villeta, and Isadora. Ladies and gentlemen, panoorin natin ang trailer of Made for Revenge. Revenge drama naman yung genre nito.
So, trailer pa lang, ulam na. Kapanapanabik talaga, no? Now, there's nothing better left to do kundi patungtungin ang personnel, ang cast and ang director ng Made for Revenge dito sa Viva Cafe stage. Direk Bobby Bonifacio, Rose Van Ginkel, and Cara Gonzalez.
How beautiful are our stars today. Welcome! Hi, Rose!
Hi, Rose!
Oh, how are you feeling?
Ang ganda. Lalo ko na-excite. Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Again, my name is Rose Van Ginkel. Thank you so much for being here.
Direk? Yes, please say hi. Yeah.
Ay, salamat po. Sana po supportahan natin ang Viva Movie Box, ang Made for Revenge at ang lahat ng mga local movies na handog namin dito.
Una-una sa lahat, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta dito kahit masama yung panahon. Sana po mag-enjoy kayo sa darating na episode namin. Thank you.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Now, let's have a group photo of Made for Revenge cast and director. Again, we have Rose Van Ginkel, Direk Bobby Bonifacio, and Cara Gonzalez. Isa lamang yan sa mga mapapanood natin sa Viva Movie Box. Alright, great stuff. Thank you so much. You may now descend the stage. Descend the stage.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Okay. All right.
Appreciate you guys.
So I believe we are halfway through.
Halfway na.
Oo,
mahigit kumulang, no? Pero ganun pa man, yung alab, yung pagbaga ng ating excitement naroroon pa rin. Tiyak na tiyak ko yan. Kasi, Phoebe, up next ba naman? Forbidden Love Story. Itong mga Forbidden Love Story, Tale as Old as Time, talagang kinababaliwan, mahilig na mahilig ang Pinoy audiences dito. And I feel
sure
like
maraming makaka-relate.
Exactly.
Diba?
Diba? Yeah. This next one will not disappoint. It dares to challenge the boundaries of love. Directed by Aya Topacio, starring Denise Esteban, Apple D, Alex Medina, and Akihiro Blanco. Let's watch Love Forbids.
And natin, ladies and gentlemen, the team behind Love Forbids. We have the director, of course, Direk Aya Topacio, Denise Esteban, and Apple D. Forbidden Love.
Forbidden Love.
Love Forbids.
That's the title.
Yeah.
Love Forbids. Hi guys, please make your way up on stage. Hi guys.
Hi ladies, how are you feeling today?
Hi, feeling great and thank you everyone for coming. This is Apple D. Magandang hapon po.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta kahit na medyo masama ang panahon.
Magandang hapon po. Ayun, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta and salamat sa support na pinapakita ninyo ngayon.
Exactly. Siyempre, para sa inyo, pupunta kami, Direk Aya. Okay, let's have a group photo with Direk Aya, Denise, and Apple D. Please move forward a little bit. Okay, so I believe this is film 4.
Film 4.
Diba? Out of 7. So mamaya marami tayo dito na mag-share sa stage para our friends from the press can ask them directly.
Oo, di ba? Ano pa nagdaos tayo ng ganito?
Lovely! Okay, maraming salamat then. Once again, that's Love Forbids. Okay, yung susunod naman natin na film is very intriguing. Hindi ba? I believe a lot of films have came out like this. So, ang susunod kasi is all about women empowerment.
Women empowerment.
Yes, women empowerment drama that explores heartbreak, healing, and finding strength. Directed by Izzy Ferrer, starring Meg Imperial, Mayton Eugenio, Zara Laksamana, Gucci Lorenzana, and Jean Kylie. Ladies and gentlemen, panoorin natin ang trailer to A Mistress's Guide to Moving On. Ang dami tayong babae, ang gaganda pa. Hindi ba?
Grabe yun, di ba? I wouldn't want to be in his shoes. Parang nakakatakot.
You wouldn't? You wouldn't?
Oh, parang hindi, in the sense na baka wala eh, baka ipatumba na ako nun.
Oh, sige.
O sa dami ng ang init-init ng dugo sa akin.
Ang daming explanation.
Grabe, nakakatakot naman.
Tawagin mo na sila, let's go.
Ayan, joining us on stage, Direk Izzy Ferrer, Meg Imperial, Mayton Eugenio, and Zara Laksamana.
Ano ka, Boaz? Are you team milk tea or team brewed coffee?
Both? Pwede ba both?
Okay, no, sige.
Oo.
Hi, Meg! Hi, mates! How are you guys?
Hi, guys.
Hi, everyone! So, thank you for being here. Super na, ngayon lang namin napanood, so sana na-enjoy niyo siya.
Yes, hello, good afternoon. I'm Mayton Eugenio and maraming salamat po sa lahat na pumunta dito despite the weather conditions that we have, and let's all have fun today. Good afternoon po.
Hello po, I'm Zara Laksamana and thank you po sa pagpunta and I hope everyone is enjoying our event for tonight, for the day.
Ay, magandang hapon sa lahat. Sabi-sabi po nating exciting tayo lahat para sa bagong platform na which is Viva Movie Box. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta.
Yes, Direk Izzy, good to see you again. Okay, let's have a group photo of Team A Mistress's Guide to Moving On. Okay, huddle lang po tayo towards the center.
Compress. There you have it.
Yeah, our beautiful cast of our mistresses.
Wow, mistresses, exactly. Pambihira na napaka-camera ready. So it's time to whip out those phones, put those cameras to good use. Picture time.
Okay, fantastic stuff. Maraming salamat. We will invite you back on stage a little later on.
Thank you for that, you guys. Ano, buhay pa ba? Buhay pa ba ang diwa ng Viva Cafe?
Parang mas na-excite sila eh.
Oh,
diba?
try natin, Phoebe. VMB! Yun, okay pa. Yakan-yaka ba, di ba? So up next is a mother and daughter story that deep dives into a gripping family drama. Wow, this one for sure will tug on the heartstrings, ladies and gents. Directed once again by Christian Paulo Lat, starring Raisa Sinon, Maui Taylor, Althea Ruedas, and Arnold Reyes. Sabay-sabay natin tunghayan ang inagaw na anak. Guys, papanoorin talaga natin yan.
Exactly. Kaya naman, tawagin natin sila ngayon on stage. Birthday niya actually today. Si Direk Christian Paulo Lat, again, as a director of Inagaw na Anak, together with cast Raisa Senon and Althea Ruedas.
Yes. Hi. Hi guys. Say hello to the crowd.
Hi, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Thank you sa time nyo na magpunta dito and sana supportahan nyo ang Viva Movie Box.
Hi po everyone! Thank you so much for joining us here and sana po ma-entertain po kayo.
Hello again, everyone. Definitely support every single film. So yeah, thank you for coming tonight, this afternoon.
Thank you so much. Okay, let's have a group photo po. If you may just move forward a little bit. Of course, this is the second film of Derek Christian.
Second film.
Paolo Lat. The first one kanina was Aking Kalan.
Overachiever doon si Derek.
Exactly. Pretty soon, actor na rin siya.
Grabe,
dito sa Viva Movie Box. Alright, thank you so much again to the cast and director of Inagaw na Anak. So that is our 6th film for today.
Salamat po. Thank you. Congrats. Oh.
Okay, so we are about to introduce our final film for today. Pero papunta pa lang tayo sa exciting part because we get to talk to them and get a piece of their minds.
Get a piece of their minds for sure, diba? Get to pick their brain.
Exactly. Yeah. And lastly, a family drama filled with secrets and surprising twists. Directed by Temi Abad, starring Luis de los Reyes, Andrea Babera, Lilette, and Jojo Abellana. Ladies and gentlemen, panoorin po natin, She's Not My Sister. It's Not My Sister.
Sigrap na eh. Sigrap yung datingan, pambihira naman talaga.
Kaya nga, biro mo yun, kwintas lang, naungkat yung family tree, no?
Lahat-lahat na, diba? Yan ang gusto natin, no? Now, it's time to call on the cast of She's Not My Sister, Andrea Babiera and Luis de los Reyes. Hi! Hello po!
How are you, beautiful ladies?
Hello everyone, I'm Andrea Babiera. Thank you so much po for your time and effort na pumunta at supportahan po kami. We are very excited to share with you every microdrama na we have been preparing for the past months. Ayan. Maraming salamat po ulit sa pagpunta. At sana po, pagkatapos po ng ating event today ay umuwi po tayong safe lahat. Yung nakita niyo po, kagabi lang po namin yung tinaping. Kaya nagpa-scene drop na po agad kami. Yung poster na po namin, 1 AM po namin yung pinicture. Kaya pasensya na po at muli maraming salamat po.
Alright, okay, let's have a group photo of our cast. Of course, we have Andrea Babiera and Luis de los Reyes, our final film for today, She's Not My Sister. Pwedeng rap song yun, no?
She's Not My Sister.
She ain't.
Okay po, photo time guys. Go for it.